Hello, this is Gio. Hey, I'm going to do a quick video today to show you how to correctly measure the size of your computer monitor. Whether you're just curious about the size of your existing monitor or you're ready to purchase a new one, it is important to know how to accurately measure the size of your screen. Now, in this case, I actually have a sticker on my screen that shows that this monitor is 23 inches, and you may actually see these kind of displays in a store when you're purchasing your new monitor. But what does this 23-inch measurement mean? So, what this measurement is basically a diagonal measurement from one corner of the screen to the opposite corner of the screen, basically either the lower left to the upper right or upper left to the lower right. So in this case, it's 23 inches, and that is the size of the computer monitor. Although you can also take the horizontal measurement or the vertical measurement of the monitor, those really don't have any meaning. The actual computer monitor size is the diagonal measurement. And this is true whether you have the new high definition monitors or the old RCT monitors as we have here. It's still just a diagonal measurement from corner to corner. Now, this measurement is only the screen measurement. It does not include any border that the monitor may have. And you generally either round up or down to the nearest inch, whichever is closest. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and I wish you luck on your next monitor purchase. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.